Kate, where are you off to? Spain, Italy, and Greece. Can you believe it? Dennis bought a yacht. It's
Kriminal
I know.
koji je teško da se
Is your
zamisli.
other half, anyway?
Tragi koji ne može da se sukrije. Zato što dokazite nikogaš ne lažat.
Who's that?
That's Mia, one of our nannies.
She's your nanny?
My wife only hires trolls. I wonder why. Jonah, why don't you stay a while? Hang out.
It's your party, Dad, not mine.
Mommy?
Кога мислиш дека е крајот,
Mommy?
тоа е само почеток.
Mommy? Mommy? Mommy?
What is it, honey? Mommy's a little busy right now.
But Mommy?
Okay. Oh my God, Megan! What happened to you?
Are you okay? What happened?
Vanessa won't wake up.
Vanessa?
Oh my God!
Call the police. Vanessa? Lieutenant?
Mr. Lambert.
I can't believe it. In my own home. My daughter.
Во недела, 6-та сезона на најгледаната криминалистичка серија CSI Miami, 20 часот и 30 минути. Серија што не смеете да ја пропуштите.